Yo yo yo, welcome to the show. This is I have my sister on, and this time it's Ashley, and I'm Claire. You may come up.
Yeah, what's up, like okay. I'm
And we're like totally bored, so maybe this is gonna be a boring video.
we're going to do like action.
Isn't that my cell phone? Wow! Hello.
Hello,
What's up, dude?
the sky.
That's sick.
No, you're sick.
Yeah, I was. I've got the flu, dude. I'm so sick.
Gross. What are you
Yeah.
talking about?
You just seen yellow on the show.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
love the
dude.
weather.
Yeah, it's very nice, very cloudy.
Yeah, I hope it stays that way.
Totally, dude. You know. So what's going on in your world?
I'm singing and watching TV.
Oh, that's cool, dude.
Say dude one more time when I sing.
Dude?
Alright, I'm going up.
Man. Ow! That really was sore. Hey, I just heard a totally awesome song.
I know, no, not again.
Don't you just love Britney Spears?
No?
Me neither.
Oh no, no.
So what's up with Hannah Montana, dude?
Yes.
I was joking.
Baby red block, baby strings.
Yeah, I know.
This is like the dumbest movie ever.
I know. Does she just hate it? Me too. Yep. Hello. What's up?
The song.
I know the show's up. What's up more? Clouds. Ha! Like you.
Anything. Hello.
Oh yeah. And trees. Trees is up in the sky.
Please come fly.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Mama's at
Careful. Word.